So what is HRSD and why we need HRSD? Anyone? Please start with this answer based on your understanding, based on your idea so far.
So it is related to HR related things like onboarding, offboarding, and payroll related things.
Mhm. It's related to HR related onboarding, offboarding, payroll. Very good. Okay, good. Others?
Uh, uh, HRSD is used to make the employee experience smooth and automate the entire end-to-end process.
So I can say HR support to employees. Correct? Can I say like this? So it can be anything. Okay. What else? Everyone, what is HRST and why HRST? Anyone? That's it. Two only two answers, huh?
Uh, HRSD is like it is one module type. It helps like organization,
It helps
manage and delivers.
hierarchy. Correct? Employee hierarchy.
Mm. Yes,
Mhm.
like employee request or onboarding, so payroll, so leaves, so
Hmm.
like that.
So this one, offboarding, onboarding, we written already. Correct?
Yes,
Payroll
yes.
also we written. Okay.
Mm.
So you can say
Le-
employee
employee
activities.
requests. Uh,
Employee request. Which kind of requests?
like laptop exit something
Laptop exit,
onboarding. You already wrote it. Mm.
laptop exit or laptop requirement. It is
Mm-hmm.
like it is a kind of offboarding or onboarding. Correct?
Yes, yes, correct, correct.
Hmm. Good.
I get benefits also.
Benefits. What
Mm.
kind of benefits?
Sir, hello, good morning.
Ah,
It will help us to automate the HR related all services using HSD. It
automate the
will,
HR
yeah,
activities.
there is no dependency on right humans specifically. We can solve the most of the things with the self-service
Hmm.
related to HR activities.
Can we say few of the HR activities?
Can be automated.
Can be
And
automated, but
and
what can be the HR activities? Can someone give some examples?
suppose you require some bank related
Hmm.
documents, right? Like now,
Like pay
one of
slip.
the example,
Okay.
payslip or right, you need any for car, right? Any policy, right, for car reimbursement, internet reimbursement, all these kind of things we can do via self-service.
Employee policies. Okay, related. I will put
Hmm.
like this. Okay. Very good. That's it. What else? Why HRST?
Faster response to employee queries and secure employee data.
Ganesh Garu, keep it on mute, sir, please. What ma? What is that?
Faster response to employee queries
Faster response to employee queries.
and
What
secure
kind of
employee data also.
queries?
If they ask any for leaves or this one for laptop queries or anything.
Hmm.
And secure employee data also for pay slips.
Hmm. Okay, pretty much covered. Okay, there are hundreds of applications that HRST will provide us, but from this list of things, let's start discussing of it. Okay, so First of all, first direct question, okay, is any, let's say I have one company. Okay, our company name is SKFacts company. It's a bank. It's a huge bank. Okay, or it's a kind of pharmaceutical company. You pick it any entity, but it's a big company with a lot of people. People means users for us. Okay, if you treat this as a bank, employees, customers, okay, everyone comes under that list. We call it like SKFX company with the 20,000 people. These 20,000 people will be who? Who are these 20,000 people? They will be employees, they will be
Yeah.
users, they will be customers. Correct? Everyone who are all uses this platform, everyone are the people. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So we in ServiceNow system, okay, we get them into sys underscore user table generally. This is part of ITSM, so user management and all we will discuss it there. So generally, let's treat this like our instance generally. Okay, these and all we should aware of already. So this SKFX company will have a ServiceNow link like this. Okay. Now company name dot servicenow.com. You will be having like this in production. Right. Now if you go to your tool, ServiceNow tool, and if you go to users, okay, so you will be having these many people in this system. So you are writing 20,000 people. 20,000 you said. That means we should see 20,000 here. Correct? Yes, ma? This is what the users
Yes.
meant, everyone. Correct? Okay. So now for this 20,000 people, if any someone said faster response to employee queries and okay. So 20,000 people are there. Now if they want something, ideally the primary support will be provided with which application in a platform? A platform, ServiceNow platform is there, an employee is there. If employee need anything, if employee want anything, if employee have some issue, what is the primary application?
Incident.
Request form.
So we have a shoot here, ITSM. Okay. In this ITSM, if employee have an issue, then incident. If employee want something, then request, task we call it as. Okay. And if employee have a bigger problem, then problem management. And there is something called change management. And if they want it, report. Okay. And if they need some documentation, KB, knowledge article. Okay. So the primary suite or primary application for ServiceNow platform is ITSM platform. Everyone, we are all aware of this one. Okay, if we are ServiceNow developers, the first learning is this one. ServiceNow developer with ITSM suite. We already have ITSM, na? Then why we are having extra application called HRSD? This is what my primary question. What is HRSD? Why is HRSD means? We are giving it. Okay. So faster response to employee query. Let's say one employee, okay, Anusha Garu is there. She is our employee. She raised one incident or she raised one task. Okay. So in this task, she mentioned like, I am unable to access this particular option in Snagit application. She is using one application called Snagit. She is very new to this application. Okay. So she is unable to use that. She don't know how to use it. So she raised one task. This is also falls under this particular scope. So Anusha Garu raised a task. Now, what happens to the ticket? It goes to Snagit team. Someone will connect to the customer. Here the customer is Anusha Garu. Then they will either assist her or they either provide a respective KB or knowledge article to her and she will go through it and she will get it. Our Snagit is not working. Whenever she is opening the application, it is giving an error, unable to launch the application. Okay. Then she will raise an incident. same Snagit team or service desk team or some team will connect to her and then fix the issue. So for it, okay, for employee support, we already have one big suite that is called ITSM suite. And ITSM will provide you end-to-end support to users. Whatever the primary support an employee is needed for an organization, the ITSM will already will provide. Correct. That's why we will learn this one as a first choice. Right? On top of it, next, why this HRSD? This is what our question. Now you are all understanding my question clearly?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understanding it? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now you given already the answers. Okay. First one is employee onboarding, offboarding, someone said. So what is onboarding? Let's talk. Okay, don't see HRST, don't see ITSM and all. Just see only this line. Okay. So, right? Onboarding, employee onboarding. What is the meaning of employee onboarding or offboarding? Off or on?
So whenever
Onboarding.
the employee joins to the company, they will raise a joiners and joiners request form so that user will be added to the service now by the sync of AD.
So
So
only
whatever,
to get it added to Servicenow system, one ticket will be raised, Amma.
yes,
That's it. That is called onboarding process. Huh?
yes,
Sir, along to add to that answer, I mean, whenever a new employee joins,
Hmm.
to create his employee ID card, to which team he belongs to add to that respective team, creating his mail ID, all this stuff also includes the onboarding, sir,
Correct. So,
if I'm not wrong.
correct, sir. So first answer, you also correct only, ma, partially, but second answer is little more accurate. So very carefully understand this one. Okay. Okay, let's say Basha Garu is there. Basha Garu is a team lead. He is managing one track, maybe Salesforce track or some, okay, any track. Now, next week in his team, one new employee is joining. Okay, maybe from now, exactly 10 days after, one new employee will join to SKFacts company and he will be reporting to Basha Garu. Okay. Now, to onboard this employee to this company, the company needs to provide what? Correct? Let's say Chetan Garu is our new employee. He will come to the organization on, okay, maybe exactly 16th. Okay, Monday. 16th. He will join on 16th. So he will just come to office. Huh? If he comes to
No.
office, what he will do? He can't do anything, right? An IT employee needed what? Okay. First, in order to enter to that entire building, you need a ID card, and then you need an access card. Okay, and then he stepped into the office. Then he need a laptop. Okay, if we give laptop, he will stand and carry. Yeah, he need to sit. So desk. We need to allocate him a desk, right? Then he will start his work. So an email need to be provided. Okay, so Windows account need to be provided. Windows account means in IT companies, we don't log in like how we log into our personal computer. The company will give you one Windows account. Everyone are aware of it, correct? Anyone
Yes.
don't know this one? What is Windows account? Anyone are here who don't know what is Windows account here? Okay, everyone know it. Okay, so Windows account. Then, okay, his pay account, pay related. Maybe an account creation or maybe inside Servicenow system, inside SKFacts company. Okay, pay related activities. So all, I don't write everything. Okay, so including PF. Okay, and gratuity account. Okay, so if he is eligible for any car lease, gear lease, so that kind of policies just to start, not an account. Okay, so whatever the employee is eligible of, they just start it. They don't do it. At least a reservation. Apart from this, then it will go ServiceNow, okay, account, ServiceNow access. So he is part of some other, then that access. So in organizations, okay, there will be so many tools, right? Ramco, Workday, right? For our timesheet submission, for our leave management and all, plenty of tools we will use, not only ServiceNow. So that tool access, okay, Employee Central, these and all tools will be used in live organizations by different, okay, Workday, right? Before Chetan Garu joins to our organization, we need to provide all of these things to him. And means we need to get it ready. This is called onboarding process. So he joins on 16th. So if he can able to get everything on 16th, he means the company is super company. Okay. But there are so many companies where you joined on 16th, but you get the accesses, everything by 24th. Am I right? First 1 week you don't have anything. You just roam here and there and you said access is not there, laptop is not there, that is not there, this is not there and all. Correct? Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means what kind of company it is? Waste company. Am I right? It's not waste or good, but the efficiency of the company. It shows the efficiency of the company. Someone said automate. Okay. If they have a strong process of onboarding process, then the expectation is before the employee joins to the organization, the employee should get everything like this. Okay. If they have weak onboarding process, then the employee need to wait. Okay, you joined on 16th and okay, 17th you will get laptop, 18th you will get email, and you don't get even client ID also because your project client ID is different. Okay, client ID you will get it on 24th. Till the time you don't do anything. So is that a efficient onboarding process?
No.
No, it shows a weak onboarding process. So now onboarding process is there. How you handle the onboarding process is your this thing. How you design it, how you cope up with. So to make this onboarding process more smoother, more aligned, smoother is fine. Aligned means what? Let's say I don't have anything. Okay, I am Basha Garu. So for access card, one I will send an email. One laptop, I will send service no request. For desktop, I will send another email. For email creation, I will raise a request to Exchange team. Windows account, one ticket to AD team. Okay, so I will send an email to HR team to get this all done. Okay, facility team, I will do one more thing. Okay, for desktop. So I sent for one employee 5 emails, 3 tickets created. So before 16th, I need to follow up all of them and then get it done. If it is email, they don't respond. If it is a ticket, they will be having an SLA. They will take their own time. So do you feel this is manually handling this entire steps, all the steps, this entire process is easy? If you don't have a proper design of onboarding process, you are all understanding it, ma? Everyone, you're understanding it?
Yes, sir.
So if you take this as an example, okay, in ITSM, if I want to do, how can I do? So in ITSM, I want to do this employee onboarding process. How to do?
Not possible, sir.
Not possible. Very good. Others, if I want to do the same thing with ITSM, how to do? We are all ITSM developers, experts. We should know this one first before you start learning HRSD. Anyone are aware of if I want to do the same with ITSM pack, how to do?
Yeah, if you want to do, you are able to do, then we can replace that order guide. Via order guide, we are able to do.
Perfect.
One order guide, we
Okay.
will do these all things.
So in ServiceNow, okay, ITSM related, if you want to do, okay, there is an order guide. Order guide concept is there. Okay, so you go here, so catalogs, order guides, record producer. So in the order guide, you can create an order guide, right? In the order guide, you put all these are catalog. This is one cat item. 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 So you have 8 or 9 cat items. Okay, so you will put like this. Okay, so now whatever the list that you given there, the list of items, these are 111 cat items. So we should get 8 cat items according to this one. Okay, so we have it in ITSM. We already have an order guide. This is pack of, okay, this one. But why we need HRSD? Again, same question. From morning you are asking the same question, sir. You don't know anything. Waste guy. Why you are teaching? Correct? Same question I am asking it. But when we have ITSM, someone said order guide. Thank you, sir. Perfect answer. You know you are the developer, ITSM developer. Okay. If we don't know that answer, means we need to recheck. Let's say I asked this question. You are not getting that ITSM. Okay. Order guide in your mind. Please recheck it. We should be fundamentally very strong. Okay, our first primary knowledge should be ITSM ServiceNow developer. On top of it, only this one. Okay, kindly please understand it. Okay. Now, order guide I have it now. Then why HRSD, sir? Very carefully see. Now our hero will introduce, right? ITSM is very generic application. We have something called scope in ServiceNow. Applications will have scope. Okay. All ITSM applications will be in which scope?
Global.
Global.
Global scope. Okay. Like this, initially they introduced, okay, sir, ITSM means IT based service management. Okay. So Anusha Garu got one issue. That issue is related to Snagit application. Snagit application issue is software issue, IT issue. Okay. So let's treat it as incident because it is IT issue. Okay. Now Disha Garu got one issue. What is that issue is she received the pay slip, okay, and normally she will get 1 lakh rupee, but this month she got 70,000 rupees, right? Then it's an issue related to what? Pay slip, payment. So for payment issue, Disha Garu can raise incident. Can Disha raise an incident for payment issue, pay slip issue?
No,
No. Why?
it's a HR issue.
It's not IT issue. Incident is only for IT issues. Correct, everyone?
Yes.
So for that, what they did is HR related activities. There are plenty. This ITSM is one shoot. So scope. We need to see the scope of it. When you say ITSM, there is a lot of big scope. Similarly, they found, okay, there are so many hundreds of HRSM tools in the market, like Workday, Ramco, this, that, and all. And HR process is too big in scope, and there are hundreds of activities that HR people will do manually now. To streamline into a system, they need one suite, that is HRSM suite. I'm calling it as HRSM intentionally, okay? Suite. So they found it. Okay. Why the service now always found this thing is because they want to grow this tool. They never stop their journey. Sir, what is service now? First definition. What is service now? ServiceNow is an ITSM tool. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So ServiceNow is an ITSM tool. Now, why HRSD came into picture then? Definition is wrong, right? Correct,
They
everyone.
are planning to
It's
scale
also automates the
more.
business operations.
So ServiceNow
It
is
helps to automate the
ServiceNow is not no more ITSM tool. When they introduced it, okay, let's say SKFacts. What is SKFacts? SKFacts is a training. What they teach? Only ServiceNow. My scope is ServiceNow only. Now I will teach Python. I will teach Salesforce. I will teach this. I will teach that. I will teach everything. Then SKFacts is not only ServiceNow Institute. Am I right?
Yes.
Similarly, when ServiceNow introduced, it introduced as only ITSM tool, first initial days. Then they later understand what are the other businesses, big businesses, processes are involved in the current IT scope. Then, respectively, they started introducing the respective applications also. HR is very big entity for organization, especially HR activities are too much, too heavy. Every employee, if you have a company of 50,000 means 50,000 people means for 50,000 users, HR activities will be there. So now you see the scope of HRST. Correct? I will raise an incident maybe once in a week or once in a month. Am I right? Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
But HR activity, I will be in my head in the company. Daily there will be an HR activity. Indirectly, directly, virtually, physically. Correct? Everyone understood, ma? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma. Disha garu question.
Yeah, I got a question. So, with HRSD tool, if I'm like, is it possible to create a payroll, or this is just for like
Yes.
raising a tickets with
Yes.
HR
Yes.
issue?
Payroll creation and payroll management is main important, ma. Pay slips.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now, huh, coming to why HRST? ServiceNow opted for HRSM. Why is because there is a lot of business here. Why a tool? Why ServiceNow tool will be opted any process? Now, if you see, na, hundreds of certifications are there in ServiceNow. Ham, Prom, Com, okay, what, Hirim, Om, Beam, Seam, everything. Starts with the CSA, CAD, CAS, in CAS, ITSM, HRSM, that, this, everything. Why ServiceNow have those many? Because that much of business is there outside, and to acquire that business, they need to introduce it. So ServiceNow is now no more ITSM tool. Okay. So now they started HRSM support. So initially it's HRSM service management, HR service management. This service management is also the same like global. However, you
Yeah.
see, okay, however you see ITSM means, however you see an incident application, you see the same case also, HR case. So let's say I told no, who some okay, Anusha garu got a issue, Disha garu got a issue, payslip issue. Okay, so she can go to HR case, not incident. There is a case application, CAC. She will go and raise a case. Okay, and she will write for month of January. Okay, I got the salary with 60% less or okay 30% less. Please help on it. The ticket is case, HR case. Okay. Now, IT teams will be there. If you raise snag issue, it goes to software queue or service test queue or service now team, whatever it is meant for, it will go. But where it is a HR case, okay, it goes to HR team, and then they will look into it. Okay, with respect to HR or maybe the HR team of the department or location, they will look into it and they will fix it. So this is also good, no? So they first initially separated it. Their intention is grab the business from the market and give it as a separate flavor, because nowadays, okay, my SKFX company is there initially. I brought ServiceNow and I got ServiceNow with ITSM. Okay, Now, the ServiceNow manager asked me, he is my friend, Macha, how much you are paying for the ServiceNow suit, Macha, ITSM suit? Okay, let's say I am paying 1 crore. Okay, including everything, ITSM licenses, ITSM pack, everything. I got that and I implemented, I am using all this. Then he asked me one more question. Okay, so what other processes you have? Okay, mine is a big company. Okay, we have 50,000 people. So we use, okay, Workday for HR people, HR management. Okay, now how much you are paying for Workday? I am paying 1.5 crores because HR activities are sensitive and more like, important. Okay, then this guy will say, why I am wasting 1.5 crores? Am I right? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what he will do? Okay, next year they will introduce ServiceNow. Okay, introduced HRSM. And what they will do? Okay, if you grab HRSM along with ITSM is a core. You can't take a ServiceNow without ITSM. With HRSM, okay, so you will get it for 1.75 crores or 1.9 crores. Now, what this SKFacts guy will do? Tell me. This is pure business. And you are the customer, I am ServiceNow guy. If I give you this if I give you this offer, what you will do?
Take it.
So you get the extra license of HRSM and then you remove the workday from your organization. How much you will save? 60 lakhs you will save. Okay. For me, 90 lakhs gain. Simple, right? Business. For you business, for me business. So if I don't get this thought of introducing HRSM, my business will stay here only. This is what ServiceNow do. That's why you have ServiceNow, these many applications supported. Now ServiceNow will support everything for IT world. Few are too much matured, few are started, but it will have the entity. Okay. So then now for HR activities, they put the HRSM. Initially, the HRSM is also in global scope. Same like ITSM, HRSM. Now, the problem with the global application is, okay, you will understand it. Very simple understanding. Okay. So I have incidents. Okay, in this SKFacts company, these many incidents are there. Okay. Now I can create an incident. Okay. I can update an incident. I can delete an incident. Right? I have all access to create and update and delete it. Let's say like this. Okay. So for incident to create, update, okay, read, which access is needed?
ITIL.
ITM.
ITIL role. Simple answer. Very simple. Fundamental. I have ITIL role. I can see, I can create, I can update any incident. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? Good. Simple answer. Okay. So similarly, for HRSM, okay, case is there. Okay. Case CRUD operations, let's write like this. Create, read, update, delete. Okay. Let's assume like there is one role. Okay. ITIL underscore case. I just name it. It's not actually the one, but I'm just giving you a sample. Now you have okay, Anurupa Garu have this role. So that means she can access any case ticket. Am I right? She can access, she can create, she can update
Yeah.
any case. Everyone correct?
Yes.
So now the problem will come. What is that problem is you can go and create, update, read any incident. That's fine. But you can't go on create or update or read any case. Case involves HR activities. Simple. One of the case I can see, okay, Disha Garu payslip. She is attached the payslip in one of the case. I have access. I can open the case and see her payslip. Is that correct?
No.
No.
Is it allowed?
No.
No.
Okay. I can if this access allowed to see everyone, I can see okay, the other employee gratuity I can see, PF account I can see, payslip I can see, okay, salaries basic information I can see, all the privileges of employee I can see because the access is common for everyone when it is a global. Correct? Is that correct, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then when they found this one, they started introducing something called HRSD. Okay, and they introduced the same all applications within the scope of application. So scopes are changed. They put okay separate scopes, whatever the applications, the case, okay, CEO, whatever you call, whatever the terminologies that we use, everything will come under HRSD separate HRSD scopes. SN underscore HR underscore core SN underscore HR underscore okay, human resources. So many scopes will be there. When you install the plugins, you will get all the scopes, all the tables, all the applications. We call it as CEOs. Tables mean CEOs, right? That is this. What is HRSD? So when they introduced this package called HRSD, inbuilt there are so many activities, so many applications they given us, so many functionalities they given us. Okay, so that functionalities will support you all of the activities that you written here. It can be HR related issues, it can be HR related flows, it can be HR related tasks, I mean to say requests. Okay, it can be HR related documentation. Everything is kind of same image, but the names will be different, the scope is different, the access levels are different. I can't see your payslip. You can't see my payslip, but both payslips will be there in same table. You are understanding it, my everyone? Guys, you understand it?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is called HRSD. Fine, sir. Now, what is HRSD is answered. Why HRSD is needed for a company? That is also answered, correct? Okay. Why HRSD for company? Now, next question is why HRSD for a for you? You are okay, a job aspirant, ITSM job aspirant. Why you need it now? Why you need to learn? Anyone know this answer? Why you need to learn HRSD now? HRSD
The
implementation.
job market is good.
The job market is good, especially in US. This summer, correct? Good. If Disha Garu gets success means I will get 20, 30 students. Correct, Amma? Dishamma? She is my she
Yes.
is my first ITSM US student. Okay. From US, she is the first student who joined, got success. Followed by 20, 30 students are joined. And she's very okay. I'll stop it. Right. So to get the more salaries, good answer. Other answers. Others, anyone? Why I need to learn HRST?
Like companies need any modules like with ITSM, we need any other modules to crack jobs.
To crack the jobs. Good. Same answer, kind of. Why I need to learn HRSD?
So within a current organization, right, to get a more opportunities within ServiceNow practice.
Hmm. So the answer is okay. All answers are correct. More first thing is who cares about company, sir? Correct. Why company? I don't care, na. Let them die, whatever. Okay. But for me, what it is, this is what more important. Why when you are spending a lot of efforts here, spending a lot of money, okay, daily time and practice and all. When you are struggling, why this helps you? Obviously, the salaries. Only with ITSM, you will be stricted with one level of salaries, one level of opportunities, plus something you need it. It can be anything. Okay. So it can be anything means you can opt for any other specialization. It can be ITOM, it can be CSM, it can be okay GRC, it can be HRSD, it can be FSM, facility management, HAM, FAM, okay, CMDB, CSDM. It goes on. But in that goes on list also, what are the more okay opportunities, value, correct? So this HRSD will come into picture in that list in one or two or three or four, whatever, wherever. Everything is important, depends on where you are. If you are in Asian specific like East Asia, like Saudi Arabia and all, now nowadays that side, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, ITOM is very demanding. Okay, whoever are doing ITOM projects now, where they are getting more students are coming from there, and once after the sessions are done, they are getting the jobs there, especially in okay Saudi, Dubai, that side people. I don't know the reason. Okay, like this, if other opportunities, like someone said, in my organization, if I want to get more opportunities, HRSM is one. So for you, first always is career opportunities. This is respectable statement. It looks very nice if I write this one, career opportunities. Okay, I don't care, but I want money, more money, salary increment. Correct? Why more money, sir? Is because we have very limited people who know HRST. Everyone know HR, ITSM. Everyone can do catalogs, business tools, all this. But HR related, very few people knows. And you will be in two. When the opportunity comes, you will raise your hand and then grab it, and then automatically that will give you the respect to money also. Career growth. Okay. Now, right? Third. What is the third one? These two are these are two answers, perfect answers. Correct? One is respectable answer, one is normal answer, but this is more respectable answer personally. It will give you more opportunities, obviously more money. What is the third one? Any third one is there? I don't think so. Correct? Okay. So for these two, okay. Third one is ITSM. When you are learning it, you are mainly focusing on global scope applications. So your knowledge will be limited on global. But HRSM, it gives you a different dimensions of development, especially with a lot of scoped applications. Okay, so you learn a lot here with respect to scope. When you want to touch, let's say there is a case page. Okay, you have a case page. You want to create a new field. Okay, you can't go directly to the table and then create right click column creation and update set move. No, here update set should be created in the scope. Column should be created in that scope and then respectively move and check their permissions when you are testing it. This level deep will be there. So learning will be more deeper when you do this one. Okay. So keeping these three, it's a good one to go. Last one. Sir, can I able to learn? Someone written. Do we have any? I will go to the questions after this last point. Okay, you written the questions, right? So questions are less only. That's why I put less priority to, I mean to select less time to the questions. Okay. So can I able to learn HRSD, sir? Okay. If you are good in ITSM development, you can learn anything. This is my fundamental statement. If you are strong with the basics, okay, you can learn anything. That's always there, right? Compared to ITSM, HRSM, no, it is very more easy compared to the configurations, right? It's more about configurations, less coding, more about topics. Here, what is our primary learning here will be like, okay, if you go to the HRSD syllabus, right? Vidya Garu shared it, right? So it is there in the doc, it is there in this location also. Syllabus, right? So we will be learning for next 12 classes or 15 classes, whatever, these things. This is our syllabus. Kindly keep it on mute, ma, please. I'll open up for questions, okay? Now in the syllabus also, if you see, check your mics, keep it on mute, ma, please. Everyone. The- Who is that? Praveen Garu, kindly keep it on mute, sir, please. Okay. So here, right, what we are going to learn here is, this is what we are going to learn. In this syllabus, if you see, okay, a company is there. The company is just to guard the HRSM. Now they will get an ITS. They will,
Sir, can you go on from your side
kindly,
since my system got freezed.
Vidya, can you please mute him from your side? Okay. So if we get this HRSD, okay, in live environment, your architect will install the plugin, okay, in the instance. But here, HRSD plugin, we will start with this learning, okay. So I have ITSM image here. I have ServiceNow here. So first, in order to get HRSM, okay, I need to install that plugin. So we'll start with this one. How to install the plugins? What are the plugins are available now? Okay, in tomorrow's session, Madam Vidya Madam will show what plugins list is there, how to install the plugins, when you are installing it, what kind of things you need to set it up. Okay, then once you get that HRSD package, the package will come with out of the box image. Okay, so if your SKFacts company opted for HRSD suite, then your SKFacts company will change the out of the box to whatever your company needed. Same like ITSM implementations, correct? In ITSM implementation, first day they will give you out of the box. Later days, what you do, you customize it however you want it. Either it can be incident change, it can be problem change, it can be creating flows, forms, catalogs, order guides, all this stuff, right? Similarly, here also you'll get a package with so many tables, so many applications, okay, so many workflows. Then you change those according to your requirements. Who will change? You will change. You are the developer. Okay. To change, you should have this knowledge here, this much knowledge. So our course will start like get this plugin installation so that in your instance you will get the HRSD application. Then start understanding the terminologies of HRSM. So here in ServiceNow we have users, correct? User administration users we have it here. Same like users, but here we call it as HR profiles. Okay, there is a relationship, there is a connection with the user table, but this entity is separate. HR profile. We will understand this, and then here we have a lot of tables specific to HRSM. We call them as SOEs, COEs, COEs. Okay, so we will see them. We will see how many tables are there, what is the significance of each table, and then we will discuss the respect to HR roles, accesses, groups, and similar like incident management. Here we have case, if anyone want to raise or request anything with respect to HR, they will raise a case. So the case will have a basic view, means form options. To change them, you need to configure something in the backend. So how to configure them? Okay, and in the case also, okay, when you select a category, let's say, okay, in ITSM, I'm just relating it so that you will feel very easy. Okay, don't get scared. So let's say I have a requirement here. The requirement is I'm creating an incident. Okay, now the incident, if the incident is created with a category, okay, inquiry and help, then automatically the group should be service desk. Correct? You understood the requirement, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So if I select, okay, here the database, category equal to database, then the group should automatically change to database group or maybe something else. Similarly, here also, when you are creating a case, tomorrow ma'am will show how to create a case. In the case, what are the entities are there, what is each entity meaning, everything she will explain. So you will select something there. Okay, when you are creating a case, you will select one option, COE, okay, or profile or whatever. Then automatically the case will assign to some group. So where you will configure them, okay, uh, to escalate. So these kind of things, okay, is our syllabus. And if you see all this syllabus, you don't be seeing any coding and all here. Business rules and all will be there tomorrow. If someone asks you to create a logic in case table, you have to write business rule, you have to write client script, you have to write UA policy. ITSM syllabus is already done. It's separated. If you want, you do the same thing in these respective tables. Sir, I don't know business rules, sir. Can I do a business rule creation in case space, sir? What is the answer? So in tomorrow, you will have a requirement. In the case page, you need to create a business rule. Okay. Now, fortunately, you don't know how to create a business rule. You don't know scripting. Then what you will do here? You can't do anything. Correct? You're understanding it, ma? Okay. ITSM fundamental syllabus you should aware of. On top of it, you are learning it. So all the ITSM topics, whatever we learned, client script, UA policies, update sets, business rules, background script, schedule jobs, UA actions, UA policies, okay, data policies, ACLs. Every topic will come here also. Additionally, we will learn these things with respect to HRSD. So here we will discuss all of them. Okay, here also someone said onboarding, offboarding. This is also there. Okay, more matured. Sir, ITSM, you said no. In ITSM, we can do using order guide. Okay, then in HRSM also we have onboarding process. What is the difference, sir? This is more focused. You can't do everything using order guide. Okay, order guide is in global scope, creation of tasks and all. But when it comes to HR, there are cases, there are so much of other processes, okay, tools, everything. So it won't be 100% matured if you do using order guide. So they introduced something called onboarding, offboarding process, more mature to HR process. Compared to that order guide concept, this is more mature. So we prefer this. Okay. And here also we have record producer class. I want to give a simple form. Okay. The simple form is to create a case. So what I will do? I'll go here. Okay. And I'll go here. So it's a catalog item for me. Sorry, not here. So see here what I'm doing. I'm going to catalog items. I'm opening one of the catalog item. Okay. So the catalog item name is create incident. Okay. I'll select something. Right. And then I submit it. Now see the output. The output is what? An incident creation. Not request item, not approvals, not task and all. Okay. I submitted it and then it generated an incident. Similarly, okay, tomorrow we create a record producer. This is record producer, by the way. Okay, tomorrow we create a record producer. That record producer is to create a case, HR case. Okay, and there are few small topics with respect to portal. Okay, in HRST related portal will be there. So we will just discuss what are the basic components with respect to service portal. Okay, with respect to HRST, not very deep, maybe two classes. These classes also will help you in live. Okay, so this is all about syllabus, basic syllabus. Okay, apart from this, we what we provide to you is we will provide this. So we are this is the notes today. Let's say like this notes and this video, right? And we also will provide you, okay, interview questions. So every topic will be having set of interview questions like this. Okay, the list of questions will be provided. Okay, and answers we will be discussing in the class. So let's say today we have, okay, 1 hour session completed on maybe some COE. So you will be provided with the respect to assignment as well as interview questions. Okay, so that you complete the assignment and you go through the questions, then that topic will be done. And the same questions, almost it's like almost, if you in interviews you'll get almost the same questions, no doubt about it. The syllabus that what we are covering is enough, more than enough for interviews as well as live job. Understanding it, ma? Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
so how many? 107. Okay, closely like 90 to 100 questions are there. These questions will be improved daily. If we found any new question, it will be added here. Okay, so that is next. And what else we provide to you people is uh, that's it. Moreover, okay, resume preparation also there. We don't provide, but we have sample resumes. Now only you can go and get the sample resumes. They are published in SKFacts mobile application. Okay. Sir, I have a resume of ITSM development. I want to add some content of HRST. Where can I get? You can get it now only. You can go to SKFacts mobile application under free materials, resume section. You can get the resume. Okay. And you can add the content and you can change it according to your organization or your activities. Okay. So those four we will provide to you from us. Everyone, all clear? What are the things we will provide? Is clear? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was referring, right? So anyone can go. Now only you can go if you want it. No need to take our classes. Okay. This is again our application and it have a lot of knowledge, support for Servicenow people. Okay. You can opt it. Okay. So here resumes folder will be there separately. Let me show you. Here. And HRSD, this one. Okay. These two, mainly this one, but both you can see. These are all samples for HRSD. Okay. Fine. So till this point, any questions before I take I'll take your questions, please. Any questions from anyone, please? Till this point, any questions from anyone, please? No question.
So that resume writing and whatever we'll be discussing the question and answers. This is Tejashree, sir. Yeah. So my question is, can we use this, will there be any perspective we will be discussing for the business analyst role, sir? If we
This
want
is for
to,
everyone, ma. So
Mhm.
generally, okay, this courses, ITSM course or whatever HRST course that we are learning here, this is for every ServiceNow person. Okay, you will be in a team of ServiceNow development team, correct? Either you are a BA, you are a developer, you are an architect, whatever, but you are belongs to
Right.
that team, correct?
Mhm.
So this entire course, this documentation, this knowledge, this resume, this is for us. either you are any role. First point. Sir, I am a ServiceNow BA. Okay. How this course helps? This course helps you to create stories, to understand the requirements, and then to guide the developers properly. How can I mention the same thing in resume? You take the same entities, what you learned, and then put it like I have knowledge and I am a strong technical BA. You need to use the right terminologies in your resume. That's it. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
If I
That's
am a
what my
developer now,
question.
my wording is like I know all these topics. I implemented this. I will write that way. Okay. Now, if you are a BA, what you do is I know all these topics and I am a strong technical BA and I handle these things in my current project. It's all only the manipulation, ma. That's it. How you showcase yourself.
Right. Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Good. Any other questions, please?
So would you be able to give a little bit more brief on HR profile?
We will provide it, ma. Tomorrow session, Vidya ma'am will give you clear picture. Tomorrow is also demo, second demo. Okay, today I just introduced it. Tomorrow she will start doing the plugin installation, okay, and case creation and HR profiles, everything. But what is HR profile?
Like as you mentioned, right, it is similar to the user profile. So I
Huh.
wanted to just get
So let's
that
say,
understanding what exactly. Mhm.
let's say like this way. So once you join to an organization, one user account will be created in sys underscore user table. Correct?
Yes, sir.
The same way, one more user account will be created in HR specific table that is called HR profile.
Okay.
It is a kind of the HR profile user table is a extend table of sys user table only. It's a child table. You see the same structure. Okay. Format level same.
Okay.
But you will be having one more user account there. That is HR profile user. Okay. Po-
So basically the HR will have the access to that
that
particular
profile.
profile.
Yes, yes. HR people will be
Okay.
having that profile. And whatever the activities, HR activities will be done, like payslip assignment and all, they don't be assigned to your sys user table entity, but they will assign to the HR profile.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the
Understood, sir.
topic,
Yeah.
and here we will learn like how to create it, where that stores, and how access things are okay isolated to that and all we will see in this way.
Okay.
Hama.
Thank you, sir.
It will be discussed more deeply, ma. Okay, creation. Okay,
Sure, sir.
good. Any other questions in this point? Till this point, any questions, ma? From the discussion that I did? Any questions, please? No questions. So let's take your questions, then we'll stop it. Okay. After attending this course, how much experience we can showcase on the resume along with ITSM? How many months? If you have 5 years, you can mention 5 years. If you have 3 years, you can mention 3 years. Don't. Okay. I all before people joins here, now we will be having a kind of mindset like this is separate, this is separate. ITSM is separate, HRSM is separate. This is how we separate it. But in live, a company will be there, a project will be there, and you are the part of ServiceNow team. Correct? So this team is 10 people. Let's say you are one of the 10 people. So you are working for some X company. Okay, for this X company, ServiceNow related activities, you do it. So for this X company, first image is ITSM image. On top of it, it have so many. Okay, so it have CSM, it have okay HRSM, it have GRC, it have CMDB, all. So you don't expect some other people will come and do CSM, some other people will come and do HRSD. You 10 people will handle everything for that project. This point is clear, my everyone. For that company, you 10 people only will do catalog creations. You 10 people only will do incident management implementations. You 10 people will also do the HR related development or customizations. So when you say I have 3 years of experience or 5 years experience, you say you did everything. All these things. Don't only say like you did only ITSM. This point is clear, everyone? So that you will get lot of weightage here. Or else generally people what they think is, so I have 4 years of experience. Sir, can I put 2 years into ITSM development and 2 years into HRSM development? This makes you weak. Either you are not strong on ITSM or HRSM. Correct? Is that correct, everyone? You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So instead, I will put it. I worked for 4 years. The 4 years I used to do both HRSM and ITSM. Then I get more weightage. Correct? Yes. Okay. Same question as above, same answer as above. Okay. So how do you recommend HRST module along with ITSM rather than CSM? Okay, for a 3 years. So no need to compare. Okay, it's all about your need. Okay, yesterday one student pinged me. Next week my project is going to start on okay something. So how many days you have it? He said 7 days. Then don't join any live classes. Go and learn from here immediately. If you have time, join here. I told. It depends on your interest, okay, and your need. Okay, no need to compare CSM with HRSD or ITOM with HRSD. As I said, after ITSM, if you opt for anything, that is good for you. You are improving your knowledge, enhancing your knowledge, and every enhancement will give you some results. So no need to compare it. CSM is also good, HRSM is also good, ITOM is also good, GRC is also good. Everything is good. When ServiceNow is good, everything is good. Okay. So sorry for this answer, but this is what the truth is. Okay. How many calls for HRST module along with item? Calls are there. There is a demand. Okay. I really don't know the number, but just try go and see the job post in Naukri and LinkedIn. You will see so many jobs for HRST. Okay. We still have tomorrow also, right? Before two demos completed, just have a basic inquiry about how many jobs are there, how much opportunities are there. It is having a lot of opportunities. That's what I can say. And salaries also, if you have HRST knowledge, you'll get lot of salary. Yesterday, I posted one of the student success story in status. Hope everyone seen it. Correct? Everyone seen my status?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. You
Yeah.
put lot of statuses. Who will see all this nonsense, sir? Okay. Okay. That girl is having very limited, I think 2.5 years or 3 years of experience. Okay. So she was the ITSM student. Then she joined first batch of HRST Vidya ma'am. Okay. After that, okay, she got this job, and you can see the growth here. Everyone can see my status. Okay. There is a status with one of the student success, and she's our first student who got the job in HRST. This is the third batch, right? First batch, first student who got the job. Okay. So salaries will be there and it will give you more weight. Just trust it. Okay. In this training, are you providing the latest HRST dump? So to get the dumps, you no need to join the live classes. You no need to pay. Dumps are already available. Okay. I'm putting a lot of efforts to upload all the dumps every day, collecting from everywhere. Okay. If you really need a dump means you can get it from here only. It's not about, okay, students who joins only our SKFacts, okay, will access our dumps and all, okay. So dumps are available. HRST latest dumps are also available, okay. So this jurist released HRSM is also, I think, there. I uploaded, I guess, here. This is for Delta. And normal dumps also for HRST is there. Okay. So here you can see a ebook, and here you can see few, and in the main folder you can see so many. So to complete your certification, these are more than enough. Okay, it's not about our students only, it's for everyone. Now only we can access it. Okay, so is it included HR integration in the training? So integration, many people are asked the same question, but unfortunately no. Why is because integration is different, and we need to have the tools, the other tool, other platform to integrate. We tried it but unable to get it. Okay, we will try in case if we can able to, but integration topics are same like ITSM. There is no much difference. We will try to include if we get something, but answer is no here. Okay, this training, this syllabus is for now syllabus. First batch, this part is not there, and few parts are not there. So the more we are teaching, we are improving the syllabus also. If something is needed, we will add it. Okay. So it's not fixed like when we mention 14 classes means it is exactly 14 classes. No. If we need extra class also, we will take it. And if we can able to complete it in 13, okay, we will end it in 13 and we may use this 14th class for some revision or a kind of interview or something. So it's not static, it will be dynamic. Huh. Can you please guide me after this course certification? There is a certification for HRSD, CIS HRSD. We can just go it and then do it. And the dumps and all I was showing, right? You can prepare the dumps for 2 days and then attempt it. You will clear it up. What is the significance of this course compared to demand course, on-demand course on the Servicenow University? Mm, nothing. I don't know. I didn't see the demand on-demand course from Servicenow University. My first always suggestion is I'm a student. Okay. If I can learn by my own, go for it. That's it. Attending any one's class or spending money on something is always waste. That's what I do. I learn service now by my own, and whatever I will learn, I will do it by my own. Either it can be a learning or something. I never spend even 1 rupee for any service now learning in my entire career. Okay, so it's my personal view. If you can able to do that, yes, please go ahead. Okay, but the problem with self learning is, okay, you we start. Let's say 20 sessions are there. Okay, everyone before you join here, you started at least seeing one of the video somewhere and then joined here. Am I right? How many people did that way? Out of 32 people, before you start learning of any technology, maybe HRSD or anything, you started somewhere to learn by your own, watched some 2 3 videos, then stuck somewhere and stopped it. How many people did this way? How many people it happened? No one? Raise the hand. There is a raise hand button.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So it will go on. The count will increase. Okay. Good. That means everyone do that. Initially, no one. Okay. Everyone will trust ourselves and start learning by ourselves. That is our mindset. But we start after 2 3 classes. We stuck somewhere. We feel very heavy, and then we will end it with an impression like this is difficult. I can't learn. I can't focus. It's not about learning. It's about focus. I can't continue. Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
It may be because you stuck somewhere, okay, and that struck makes you that feeling. Or second thing is you are not preparing in a proper flow. Okay, for anything, learning flow is very important. Even if you see our ITSM also, okay, if you ask me, sir, can I learn into UA policy directly, sir? Okay, can you teach me client scripts, sir? Can you teach me business rules, sir? People will be there, okay, especially from on-site people will come. Sir, I have job. Okay, they will get the job. I have only 7 days for you. They will give me offer. I am giving you 7 days. Teach me service now. Very good offer, no? Correct? You are the student. You are the trainer, SKFacts trainer. I called you. I don't even ping you in WhatsApp. Okay. Sir, I have job. I got the job. I have 7 days. Teach me service now. What you will feel? You are service now guy. SKFacts guy. Mad guy. What you will tell? I am the student. Okay. UK student. I am from UK. Directly I will call and say I am from San Francisco. I am from UK. I am from US. Even though I am Indian. Okay. Fellow village person. My introduction is okay. I am from UK. I told like this. Okay, Anusha garu, what you will reply? Ma Aishwarya garu, you are SKFacts Sridhar Kota, and I am from UK. I called and then said, teach me service now in 1 week because I don't have time. What you will tell?
I too don't have time to teach.
You too don't have time. You need money, Nama. You are a poor guy. SK,
But that
you need money now. You are a poor guy, ma. Why you listen?
is his attitude hits, ego hits.
But we kill we kill our egos and attitudes because of so many factors. No, money is the main factor, right? Good, not okay, not just okay, normal conversation. Okay, so see here, the question is 60 hours of class, 80, 90 hours of ITSM package training. Okay, this is what expectation. You people are part of my ITSM classes also, few people. How much deep we will discuss, how many examples we will teach, and how much practice we do to reach to that level. Okay, I know Pritesh and I know Tisha Garu, so many my students, our students only, right? You are all part of ITSM. After struggling
Yes, sir.
that much, we learn this much. 90 hours of speaking, teaching, 120, 150, 200 hours of practice. I don't know. If I put 5%, my students will put 25%. Correct? You are also struggling in your life, right? Practicing, listening my all stories, dramas, and then practicing it, preparing it, writing notes, attending interviews, right? If we put this much of efforts, we will learn this much. In 1 week, how much we can teach practically to a student? So answer is 100% no. And that too, they will say, okay, teach me only this. Because the job description says I want this. That is too much important interview question. Okay, demanding, too much demanding. Then, okay. So why I can, okay, the on demand or whatever the course that we say, fundamentally we should be having something. If someone asks you, sir, can you teach business rule? I will ask, do you know table? Do you know column? Do you know database? Do you know the database definition first? No, sir, I don't know. Then you are not eligible. In my mind, I will use some nice words, but in polite, I will say you are not eligible. Correct? Correct, everyone. You know all the words, right? You directly tell, but I should not tell. Protocol will come here. So, okay, that's about those kind of people. Good. Right. Our main point here is the flow of learning, the flow, right? 90-hour session means 19 hours, 90 hours we need to learn in the same flow. Then only we will understand. First, understanding service now, then table, then column, then database, whatever, then table creation, column creation, attributes, UI policy, client script, update sets, step by step, you need to learn. Even if you break one step, the next step you can't move. That's how the flow of learning. So the problem with self-learning, it can be on demand, it can be YouTube videos, it can be anything. Somewhere it will break and you feel very heavy and you will scare about that. That is the only thing that anyone can check it. Content wise, everything is same. We teach the same, they teach the same, they will teach in a different way. Have you ever tried, okay, ServiceNow University administration course? Anyone tried that? ServiceNow CSA course from ServiceNow University.
Sir, I went through it.
So in maybe second session or third session, they were started data load imports a transform map. Is that correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
So when we teach the ServiceNow data load imports a transform map, 47 class, 48th class. Why can't we teach data source imports a transform map? Okay, in second session, third session here. Why can't we teach here according to university flow? Why we teach it here? Not even 45, 54. Sorry, wrong number. Why? Now you tell me the difference. This is what the difference is. I'm not commenting anything, okay? I'm not saying ServiceNow University is good or bad. I'm not using that words. The flow of learning is different. If the flow of learning you can able to catch anything is fine. Clear? The answer is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thus, this course helps in complete end. The topics that we listed is gathered from live, and HRST. The Vidya Madam is working on HRST projects. I'm not going to teach from tomorrow. She will speak. Okay, she will cover second demo, and she is having the HRST knowledge. What I know is very less. Okay, so all topics that we discuss, she discuss, are related to live examples, live implementations. Okay, discussion also will be related to live terminologies only. The hard, okay, humble request is when she or we provide any practicals, you need to kindly finish it that day only. It's very simple one. You don't feel ITSM level of practice here. HRSM is too simple, but more configurations. When she gives something, please immediately do it. Your target is next week, 2 weeks. From 2 weeks, you need to add HRST and you can able to do HRST related activities for your project. This is what you can set your mind. Accordingly, join here, learn here, practice, and then finish it. So answer is yes for this question. Okay. So more all about live only. You can able to do live projects once this one is done. Okay, related to HRST activities. In this course, you will be providing real time. Yes, Amma. Okay, this will help to explain them during interviews. Yes, ma. Okay. Also give us yes. As I said, yes, ma. Same question, same answer. Any real time projects, everything will be on live only, ma. Whatever the SKFacts projects or trainings, even if you join the ITSM projects also, everything is aligned with respect to IT projects expectations. If not, teaching is waste, attending here is waste. If we don't teach according to the live expectations means the classes are waste. And if you don't practice what we are telling, what we are asked to do, okay, it will be wasted. So everything is related to IT only, ma. IT projects, live project activities. But only they will be coming in the respective places. So someone asked HR profile. So I can't show HR profile today. Maybe HR profile will be discussed on third day. So that particular part will come in that particular timing in that flow. Okay. So these are the questions and these are the answers. Okay. That's what I have for today. Anyone still have any questions? You need any clarifications about the training or about these days? Anything, please? No. So silence. Too much, sir.
No, sir, I'm good.
Thank you.
Sir, I wanted to know about scripting part, sir.
Scripting almost 10%. Very less. For learning this course, scripting is less. But as I said, let's say tomorrow you need to implement something. Okay, so in case page you want to implement a UA action. Okay, in the case page is there, you have to create a UI action or you need to create a business tool. So scripting is needed, no? So fundamentally you should have that knowledge, ITSM developer knowledge. Okay.
So do we need CSM knowledge also, because
No, no.
it has the most case, right? Case
Case,
case question.
so HR in case, in this case, in HRSM we have case. In CSM also we have
Mm.
case. That case is different, this case is different.
Mm.
So no need, no need of CSM. That is separate, sir.
Okay.
Good.
And are they going to cover the taxonomy on the employee center?
It is, it is
Yes.
there now. So let me show it. Sir. Yes, sir. Answer is yes only. It is covered. It will be covered.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Good. Any questions, ma,
Thank
please? Thank you, sir. Any other questions? No questions. Okay. So we'll start tomorrow. Okay. Uh, Tomorrow we'll start with the plugin installation. So we'll show the plugins. We'll just give the information and then we will give the assignment. For today, no assignment. Okay. What you can do is just get the background, whatever we given the basic, right? I posted 3 images in the group. Okay. The images will give you brief about the HRST. Why HRST? What is HRST for organization? Just go through it. And out of your curiosity, try to get how many jobs are there, how is the opportunities, what is the scales, how much you get it, okay, with the HRST, what is the demand, that and all you can start inquiring it, okay, that you can do for your personal thing. But for us, class level, no assignment for today. Tomorrow you'll get assignments, okay? Everyone fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. Then thank you very much for your